Hello and welcome. In this lecture, we will see how to install Metasploit framework in any Android phone with Termex app. Friends, as we know, Termex provides us an environment under which we can run some Linux commands. Termex can be used on any Android phone whether it is rooted or not, which means you can use Metasploit framework on any Android phone without rooting it. You will be able to hack any Android phone or computer through your Android phone, which is same as using Kali Linux on PC. Let's start installing Metasploit framework. Open Termex app. First, we need to install CURL. It is required to install Metasploit framework in your Termex app. CURL is a tool used to transfer data from or to a server using one of the supported protocols such as FTP, FTPS, HTTP, Telnet, etc. After installing CURL, open browser and go to this address. From here, you need to copy all the text given here. After that, you need to paste that address in the Termex app and press enter. The Metasploit framework is ready now. Now we need to get the access permission. For that, type chmod 777 metasploit.sh and hit enter. After that, type /metasploit.sh. It will start the installation process. It will take almost 15 to 20 minutes to install. We have fast forwarded it to reduce the length of video. Okay, it is now installed. Now we will open MSF console. Type ./MSF console and press enter to check whether Metasploit framework is working or not. 1 second. Okay. First we need to go inside Metasploit framework where MSF console is present. Let us list all the directories in the current directory. So type ls and press enter. Okay, we have these many files in this directory. Our MSF console file is present in Metasploit framework directory. So let's change the directory to Metasploit framework. Type cd Metasploit framework and hit enter. Now list the files here. Type ls and hit enter. We have MSF console here. Now type ./MSF console and press enter. It will take 1 or 2 minutes to open the console. Okay, we have successfully installed Metasploit framework and MSF console is ready to use now. That's it. See you in next lecture.